नमस्कार। ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम श्री गुरु दत्तात्रेयाय नमः। May 18, 2026 मंडे श्री पराभव नाम संवत्सर उत्तरायण ग्रीष्म ऋतु अधिक ज्येष्ठ मास शुक्ल पक्ष तिथि द्वितीया नक्षत्रम रोहिणी till 2:31 p.m. योगा सुकर्मा till 1:25 a.m. next day. Karanam Valva till 10:20 a.m. followed by Taulava till 9:11 p.m. Vajjam from 7:03 a.m. to 8:32 a.m. and again from 7:43 p.m. to 9:12 p.m. Durmuhurtam from 12:21 p.m. to 1:13 p.m. and again from 2:55 p.m. to 3:47 p.m. Amritakalam from 11:31 a.m. to 1:01 p.m. and again from 4:39 a.m. next day. Rahu Kalam from 7:30 a.m. to 9 a.m. Yamaganda or Ketu Kalam is from 10:30 a.m. to 12 a.m. Sun sign Rishabham Taurus, Moon sign Rishabham Taurus. Sunrise at 5:31 a.m. and sunset at 6:21 p.m. Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu. Shubhamastu.